Good morning to one and all. My name is Aditi Ramdas Bari, a student of Deep Education Society, SAS Institute of Management. I am going to present a PPT on operation research. My topic name is transportation problem. What is transportation problem? The transportation problem is a specific type of linear programming problem where the objective is to minimize the cost of distributing a product from a number of sources or origins to a number of destinations. Because of its spatial structure, the usual simplex method is not suitable for solving transporting problem. This problem requires a special method of solution. Aim of transportation problem: to find out the optimum transportation schedule, keeping in mind cost of transportation to be minimized. The origin of transportation problem is the location from which shipment are dispatched. The destination of transportation problem is the location to which shipment are transported. The unit transportation cost is the cost of transporting one unit of the consignment from an origin to a destination. Objective of transportation problem: determination of the transportation plan of a single commodity from a number of sources to a number of destinations such that total cost of transportation minimized. Applications of transportation: it is used to compute transportation route in such a way to minimize transportation cost of finding out locations of warehouse. It is used to find out locations of transportation cooperation docks where insignificant total cost difference may not matter. Minimize shipping cost from factories to warehouse. Determine lowest cost location for the new factory, warehouse, office or other outlet faculty. Find minimum cost production schedule that satisfy firm demand and production limitations. Two types of transportation problem: balanced transportation problem where the total supply equally total demand. Unbalanced transportation problem where the total supply is not equally total demand. Phase of solution of transportation problem. Phase 1 obtains the initial basis feasible solution. Phase 2 obtains the optimal basic solution. Initial basic feasible solution: northwest corners rule, least cost method, Vogel oblections method, optimum basic solution, modified distribution method, stepping stone method. Northwest corner rule. Define the northwest corner rule is a method adopted to compute the initial feasible solution of the transportation problem of the name northwest corner is given to this method because the basic variables are selected from the extreme left corner. It is most systematic and method for obtaining initial feasible basic solution. Step in northwest corner method. Step 1. Select the upper left cell of the transportation matrix and allocates minimum of supply and demand. That is minimum value of the cell. That cell. Step 2. If A1 minus A1 lower than greater than B1, then locations made is equal to the supply available on the first sources. Vogel approximation method. The Vogel approximation method is improved version of the minimum sale cost method and northwest corner method that is generally produce better initial basic price solution that report a smaller value of objectives function of a balanced transportation problem. Step 2, define identify the row of column with the greatest penalty cost. Step 3, if there is exactly one row of column left with a supply or demand of 0 is stop. Modify method. Determine initial basic possible solution using any one of the three method given below. Northwest corner method, maximum minimum method, Vogel approx method. Conclusion. The transportation problem is one of the most frequently announced encouraged application in life situation and is a special type of linear program method. Thank you.